right, we have also speaking on the Supreme Court's upholding of Governor Adegboyega Oyetola as the governor of Osun State. We have joining us now to speak on this matter, former chairman and ward of in local government area, Ayodele Adewale. Thank you for joining us. Now, quickly talk to us about your reaction to this Supreme Court's judgment.
Well, this is a victory for democracy and a victory for the people of Osun State to have such affirmation that their vote actually counted during the last election. As you can see very well that the Supreme Court was very right in their judgment to have affirmed that Mr. Adegboyega Oyetola was duly elected at the last governorship election in Osun State.
Now, what do you make of what has been termed as unprecedented, the manner in which the judgments was split from the tribunal to the Supreme Court?
Well, this also shows the sovereignty of our judiciary and that they are not being guarded or being directed by any external forces. They've only implemented on the facts that was presented to the court. And of course, the fact actually has spoken for itself. The fact is that Mr. Adegboyega Oyetola won the election. The fact is that all the results that were tendered before the judiciary are valid results. The fact is that the Osun people did come out to vote in majority for Mr. Oyetola, and we should just allow these things to rest as it is right now. And I will appeal to the opposition party to go back to the drawing board and see how they failed, and for the ruling party, the APC that I belong to continue to dish out good programs that were, brought forward during the campaign process. So the people of Osun, Osun deserve quality governance for its people.
All right, I have to cut in here now. What lessons can politicians learn from this, and how would this strengthen politicians' faith in the judiciary?
Well, the lesson is that we should continue to have faith in our judiciary. We should continue to do what is right for our people. We should marshal our actions appropriately well before carrying them to fullness. And we should consider that the people comes first. We should not try to subvert justice, and we should be very truthful in all our dealings.
So what's the implication of this victory for the people of Osun State and for the governor as well?
Well, the implication is that you are going to have more growth in Osun, particularly infrastructural-wise. You are going to have more quality education being given to the people. You are going to have more of the OES programs there. You are going to have more food for Osun pupils there. And you are going to have more infrastructure, more agricultural development and peace and tranquility in Osun State. We implore all Osun people to join hands with Mr. Oyetola to make Osun greater than it is right now. And I also implore the opposition to join hands with the ruling party for the sole purpose of developing Osun for their people.
All right, former chairman and ward of in local government area, Ayodele Adewale, thank you for your time on the news.